want to give some suggestions to the designer. Do you have to use a circuit for electricity outdoors? Take a power adapter with when you try. If there is not outlet outside, it cannot be used. Go back and discuss the designer. I didn't need a plug to use the Starlink Mini.
We have Starlink Mini, Type-C DC power cable. Go out with only a portable power supply.
Wow, I love it. Wait, you didn't take into account the short battery life. Long road trip, ordinary mobile power supply won't last long. It's a pain in the ass too.
Starlink Mini Car, DC power cable, solves your battery life anxiety.
Okay, so I can use it all the time in the car. It's convenient. But it still doesn't work. If I'm not in the car and I'm camping without power, it's a pain in the ass to carry around Type-C DC cables.
Don't worry. We also have a 3" 1 DC power cable.
Oh my god, Starlink Mini 3-in-1 cable. If you are tired of going out with multiple cables, try this 3-in-1 to DC power cable. Click the link below. Take $5 off your order now.